Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be covering a pair of boots, just a regular pair of boots, never worn, and some of my African fabric scraps. And y'all, these shoes I hope are loud. Like, I want them to be so bright, so colorful. That's the plan. But I wanted to just show you guys what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using, of course, some fabric scraps. You need materials, the boots. I'm going to be using paint brushes. This is what I'm going to use to apply my Mod Podge. And I just bought this off of Amazon. I'm going to be using this probably from here on out. Hopefully it does good. For like a matte, you know, for like glue and, you know, something that's easy to wipe off. I got two of these. The size is 12 inches by 15 inches, which is pretty big. This is a nice size to do crafts on. And you got two, so you could even put them together if you needed to. I think this was like $5. Like, y'all, I was looking for a craft mat. Y'all, they be charging an arm and leg for a goddamn craft mat. Something that you're going to get dirty, maybe cut in the process, you know. So, hey, I went really cheap with this cutting mat. So, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create a template with cardstock paper, thick cardstock paper, for the tongue, because I do want to cover the tongue of the boot, and I also want to cover this side right here. Not sure if I want to do the foot or if I just want to leave the foot alone, or maybe bling the foot out. The design is still coming to me as I'm doing this video, but for right now I'm going to create a template for the tongue and for the sides. So let's go ahead and get up into this. Alright, you guys, so it's still in the drying process, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. And right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, you guys, I love anything that blings, shiny, glitter, rhinestones. I love it and I want it on there. So what I'm going to do to the sides, I wasn't really too worried about getting this as a clean cut because I knew that I wanted to put some bling along there. So I'm going to use my Hotfix tool. I'm going to use this because this is supposed to be like a permanent way to adhere rhinestones onto fabric, which this is fabric, so it should stick. Hold on. My fault, y'all. Somebody was at the door. So what this tool does is it heats up, and these little rhinestones already has the adhesive glue on the back of it. So it heats up and it pretty much like melts the glue, and bam, that's how you do it. And it comes with all of these different size things to fit the size of your rhinestone. And I guess I'm going to be needing this too. I don't even know how to use this. Do I sharpen this? I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna let this heat up and then I'll be back.